Hello learners, do you have a problem understanding words? Then let's learn English with meanings. Let's begin. Young. Someone young is not old. He is a young man. He is a young man. Young, not old. Generous. Someone generous is giving. She is generous. Smart. Someone smart is brainy. Tom is a smart man. Tom is a smart man. Smart. Brave. Someone brave has no fear. I am brave. Are you brave? Brave, no fear. Rapid. Something rapid is moving fast. The bike is rapid. Rapid, moving fast. Heavy. Something heavy is hard to lift. He lifts heavy weight. He lifts heavy weight. Heavy. Cheerful. Someone cheerful is happy and positive. She is always cheerful. Cheerful. Empty. Empty is not full. Empty glass, empty chair, empty stadium. Tired. Someone tired has no energy. I am tired. The girl is tired. Tired, no energy. Bright. Full of light. A bright place. A bright room. Something bright is full of light. Humorous. Someone is humorous if he is funny. My friend is humorous. Humorous, funny. Dirty. Someone or something is dirty if it is not clean. His hands are dirty. Dirty. Confident. Very sure. I am confident about my work. Confident. Are you confident? Thanks so much. Hope you had a happy learning experience. Subscribe to our channel. Lots of love until next time. Thank you.